how you can start dressing better. What are some rules to follow on how you can enhance your overall appearance and your style and your grooming? So up first is body proportion, guys. Are you somebody that has short torso or a long torso? Now, to check this, I want you to stand up against the wall, okay? You're gonna take a measurement from the bottom of your legs all the way up to your groin area, and then you're gonna take another measurement from your groin area all the way up to the crown of your head. In which cases, as men, we like to have a shorter upper and a longer lower, because then it makes us look a lot leaner, a lot stronger. It makes us look more aesthetic and taller. So after you take both measurements, you're gonna wanna check which part was longer. Now, if you're someone with a very short torso, right, then this is where you can start wearing a higher waisted pants so that you actually look taller. You don't wanna be wearing pants and shirts that are too long for you, because then it's gonna make you look a lot shorter. So that's why the crop t-shirts or crop jackets are gonna work perfectly for those of you that have a shorter torso. Understanding the 2 to 3 color rule for an outfit, right? So if you're putting together an outfit, right, you don't wanna be mix and matching too many colors, as it's gonna draw a lot of attention to yourself and it's not gonna look sleek. In this case, you wanna almost make it seem like it looks very effortless, right? So for example, if you have a pair of blue jeans on with white sneakers, this is where you can put on a green olive t-shirt with a beige bomber jacket. And therefore, there's only like 2 to 3 colors in the outfit. Sometimes, guys, sticking to basic colors and keeping it more monochromatic always looks the best. If you're gonna start wearing purple pants with a red t-shirt, a blue jacket, and then a green hat, it's just almost too much. That's why I always like sticking to basics like white sneakers or black boots, as these things will always be timeless in your wardrobe. Even better, if you don't want to think about colors, guys, just wear monochromatic. You can either go all black, all navy, or all gray. Incorporating glasses into your style, right? Sometimes we actually hesitate or forget on throwing on a pair of glasses or sunglasses. Now, I know some of us don't really need glasses to see, but doesn't mean you can't wear a clear frame sunglasses when you go out for dinner, right? It's also just like a fashion accessory. So you don't want to ever miss out on the opportunity of throwing on a pair of glasses, as it really structures your face. I feel like a lot of men actually hesitate in buying a pair of sunglasses because we can't find a pair that fits your face. So I'm going to teach you how you can find glasses to fit your face. I want you to measure from one side of your head to the other. You're going to take a measuring tape and actually measure what that is. Now you're going to go to your favorite sunglasses website and you're going to look for the 3 independent numbers that are listed on that pair of sunglasses. Every website has this. You're going to multiply that first number by 2 and you're going to add that next number to the total of that. Once you get that number, you're actually going to compare it to your temple width. Now, if that number is very close or very similar, you've actually just found a pair of sunglasses that's going to fit your face perfectly. And therefore, you have no excuse on why you can't wear a pair of sunglasses. Incorporating a chain to your outfit, all right, guys? Like, there's nothing better than actually drawing a lot of attention to your chest area, especially if you're someone that's been working out, doing a lot of chest. Bro, for you, those guys that do chest every day, if you're not wearing a chain, you're not really attracting a lot of attention towards that area that you're working so hard on. So find a nice chain that really complements your skin tone and your look. Now, especially if you're somebody that really doesn't like to wear graphic t-shirts and you're someone that likes to wear basic black or white t-shirts, then this is a really nice way to elevate and upgrade your style. As for myself, I really love to wear silver, as I just feel like it really complements my skin tone. I guarantee, bro, if you start wearing a chain, it's gonna be a cool conversation starter, as people will always ask about your chain, you know, the pendant, what it means, you know, where'd you get it from, what brand is it? So it's just really cool if you can, you know, start incorporating that. It's gonna start showing your personality. And last but not least, guys, proper grooming, man. It's gonna make you look a lot better than everyone else. If you're ahead, guys, if you're doing your skincare routine, you're moisturizing your face, you're doing your beard, you're getting a haircut every 7 to 10 days, guys, you're maintaining your hair on your body, this is gonna help you get ahead. This is gonna help you feel a lot better. When you start going out in the real world, you have a job, you have a date, you're gonna start killing it because you're so confident in the way you feel. Because, guys, something about a well-groomed man always shows really proper etiquette. It shows how sophisticated and put together you are. Now, there you have it, guys. I covered some of the tips that you could start doing to incorporate into your day-to-day life already to become the best version of yourself and how to dress better than everybody else. Now, if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, as I'm constantly posting content on here like this. And I'll see you all in the next video.